I recently discovered how vital regular HVAC maintenance is, and it's something I never really thought about before. It's amazing to learn how this industry, like Cool Temp LLC, ensures our homes stay comfy and efficient all year long, which is something we all want, right? I realized that overlooking my HVAC upkeep meant missing out on saving money and preventing surprise breakdowns. By staying on top of things with regular checkups, we can enjoy lower utility bills and a worry-free home climate. So it's definitely worth diving into the world of HVAC care if you care about comfort and saving in the long run. Visit cooltempnj.com to learn more.